Hi, I'm Lisa G. I've been a personal trainer for over 20 years and my Skinny Jeans workout DVDs have sold thousands of copies. I'm so excited to have Jackie here, my co-star from my Skinny Jeans workout. Today we're going to work on buns and thighs so you can get into those skinny jeans, those little shorts, and those cute little black dresses. Ready, Jackie?
Ready.
We'll start out with a lunge, lift, glute squeeze. Ready? And lift, lunge, squeeze, together. Squeeze that butt. These compound exercises are going to show you how to really tone those thighs so you can show off those assets. Squeeze the glutes. Squeeze. Keep your spine straight. Core engaged. Are you starting to feel the burn? Me too. Knee up, kick back. Knee up, back straight. Inhale, squeeze, exhale. Squeeze, lift. And 15. Good. Now we're going to do balanced deadlift. Ready, Jackie? Find your balance by finding something to focus on. We'll do 15 reps. Down and back up. Cardio is great for burning off unwanted fat, but these toning exercises will really help sculpt your muscles so you can show off those assets. Squeeze the butt of the standing leg. Inhale and exhale. Shoulders back. Spine is nice and straight. Great, let's switch legs. Ready? Our proven butt and thigh routine is going to help you really sculpt those muscles. So you'll have long, lean muscles instead of large, bulky ones. Compound exercises will help you really sculpt your body. And that's your secret weapon for buns and thighs that are going to really turn heads. And 15. Great job, you guys. We're going to do plank. Throw down your weights. Plank and side lunge. Let's jump back or step back into plank. Ready? And plank, side lunge. Core tight, working your shoulders and your core, as well as your lower body. Loosening up those hips. Keep breathing. Keep that core engaged. Back straight. Stay with us. Awesome job, you guys. Let's roll down into a glute bridge, and then we'll finish with side lying leg raise. This is your secret weapon for tight buns. On your back, bridge all the way up into your shoulders. Beginners, you can have one leg bent, and Jackie does the advanced version. One, ready? With her legs straight, make sure you squeeze your butt on each rep. Make those buns work for you so you can show off those assets at the beach.
12, 13, 14,
And let's switch legs. Squeeze your butt.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Exhaling, squeeze on each rep. You're almost there. Stay with us. On your side, we're going to finish off with side lying leg lifts. Ready, Jackie? On your side and squeeze that thigh. Every time you lift, tighten it and hold. Work that glute and thigh from all angles. Are you feeling it?
I am. Great.
Really squeeze those thighs. And one leg left to go. Are you ready? Final thigh. Ready? And squeeze that thigh. Really engage. Pause at the top. Exhale, core tight, spine is straight. Almost there. Okay, that is your buns and thighs workout. Thank you for joining Jackie and I, and we'll see you at the beach.